Alrighty guys, in today's lesson we're going to be adding and subtracting numbers within the number of 20. Addition, if you remember last week in our lesson, addition is basically bringing two or more numbers together and getting a new total. The opposite of addition is subtraction. As you can see on the board, it's taking away one number away from another number. So if we can recall from last week, if we start off with 10, and then we subtract it, let's get a new marker. This will be our subtraction. If you remember what is subtraction, this is a subtraction and this is a plus sign. So if we start off with 10, my apologies, and subtract it by 5, we will get a new total of 5. But if we were to, if we were to start off with the number 8, okay, and then we add that to 3. That will basically be a number of 8, 9, 10, 11, which is within 20. So if we can recall from last week, you can use your 10 fingers to basically add up a number. So anyway, so if I start off with 5 and I wanted to add 3, all I would do is put my 5 fingers up and do 1, 2, and 3, which will give us 8. And if you want to go back and check, if you don't believe me, all you have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in today's lesson, although we did within between 10 last week, now we're going to learn something completely new. So we're going to create a fictional character, person, whatever you want to call it. His name is going to be Bob. Alright, and we're going to give Bob a good old stash. You like that? Because I do. So Bob has $5. And his friend Jerry comes in and he says he wants to go to the convenience store and he wants to buy a soda pop. And in order to get a soda pop, he needs $3. So Jerry over here, let's give him a good old mullet. There we go. Jerry asks Bob, "Hey Bob, can I have $3? So in addition, we're going to basically say the number that he has in total, $5, he's going to subtract that from 3 and get his new total of 2. This is in reference back to last week's, because we're obviously not in the double digits. I called 20s and like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15s double digits. And so Bob, on the other hand, will lose $3 and only have $2 back. So if I were to go to a convenience store and I only have $5 and I wanted to get this new game costs, let's say $16. So let's put new game is $16. And the current amount of money I have is 5. In order to basically get the total, I would have to ask a friend or a clerk or someone around me to have that extra total, because obviously $5 is not $16. So we're going to subtract 16 from 5. And if you can recall, we're going to use our number line. So 16 right here. We're going to jump back 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our total that we would need to get this game, we would need to ask a friend or whoever it is, family member, to owe us $11. Oh, by the way, guys, this is a number line, and this is a useful way of helping you guide your way into basically trying to get the total that you're looking for. So let's do some basic simple math and take away Bob and Jerry and all of that good old stuff, the games. So we're going to start off with 8 plus 10. So we're going to start off looking for the number 8 on our number line. Which is right here. And if you can recall, addition is basically increase. So if you're going this way, you're increasing. If you're going that way, you're decreasing. So if we're adding, which way will we go? We would go to the right. So we're going to go over 10 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8, sorry. 9, 10. And that will lead us to our total of 18. Now, if we wanted to, I'm going to keep it up there. Now, if we were to get something that is worth $20, a new game, let's go back to our new game. We want the new Game Boy, okay? The new Honky Kong Gang, I guess that's what it's called. That costs around $20. But your mom only gave you $10. So you have to do some little community service, get those extra $10. And how I know this is basically you find the number 20 on this little number line. And you find number 10, which is right here. And you're going to fill in the spaces once again like we did in the past examples. And you're just going to go hop on over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that will conclude our lesson for today. But on our homework on Moodle.com, if you can recall, we have an assignment that basically lists 10 questions. It's all a surprise. All you have to do is just add the numbers within 20, and it'll be due on Friday.